Guys, we're playing Minecraft here, so I'll be showing you how to make an engine. So I'll show you this one. Look, it goes like that. Okay, now I'll be showing you how to make it. So let's just find a spot. Okay, get any block of your choice, and I like to get that. And put 6 materials, then I'll be right back. Okay, it's supposed to look like this. Then you add 2 hoppers. Wait, this is the back. Yeah, do this for the back. Yeah. Then let's see. Oh, you put 2 hoppers. Get hoppers. Here too. So you're supposed to do this way, then break that one and that way. And then get 2 redstone comparator. Then do that and that. Then get a block. Do that and that. Yeah. And put a sticky piston right there, beside the redstone comparator. Get a redstone block, put it there. Get redstone dust. Yeah. Just put there, then put another on there. Put there, and then put a block there. And then you put redstone dust there. I think that's it. Let me check. Yeah, that's it. Then you can add this. Then it goes like this. If you add a thingy, if you add like this, it takes a long time for the engine. It takes a long time. It's gonna take a long time. See, it sucks it in. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe. Peace.